Erectile dysfunction. Wow, what a topic. Very common. There are diseases that cause erectile dysfunction, diabetes, high blood pressure, medications that cause the blood pressure to be too low that can cause erectile dysfunction. But really probably the most common is just the effects of aging, and this just happens to men as we grow older. It's unfortunate, but it does happen. And what can you do to make this not so bad? Well, first of all, stay fit. Eat right, keep your weight down, exercise regularly. Take high blood pressure medications in moderation. If you're having erectile dysfunction and you're on blood pressure medicines, you need to talk to your doctor. He or she may change your medications or reduce them so that the medication doesn't have an effect on your erections. Also, certain supplements over the counter can cause erectile dysfunction, so if you're taking anything in more than moderate doses, check with your doctor about them. There are great medications for this. We all know about that, and they work wonderfully with very few side effects. But in general, this isn't something wrong with you. It's the aging process, and it sure can affect your quality of life, and there's no reason to suffer from it.